Getting some ideas for your C10? Yeah, that's a nice combination.
Perfect. Too sweet.
Awesome.
That kick-ass system. Perfect. That works. Cool.
After 8 hours of driving, we have finally made it to Orange Beach, Alabama. We found a car wash. Got to do a quick rinse down / wash because, well, we drove through the night and everybody knows what happens when you drive through the night. You manage to hit every single bug. So the front of this truck is probably covered in bugs. So we're gonna rinse that off. Covered in pollen, so we gotta rinse that off as well. So do a quick wash and then we'll head over to the show. So currently we're like roughly 30 minutes behind schedule because on the interstate, we were stopped for about an hour because there was an accident. All right, honestly, it is not as bad as I thought. There's a couple of bugs, but it's not that bad. But mainly what's bad is the pollen. The pollen will really get you. So once we rinse this off, we should be ready to go to the show. The bugs aren't too bad, bro.
The what?
Bugs aren't too bad.
Awesome. I like that.
You got $20 in quarters? Mm-hmm. All right, that should be enough.
I hope so.
Rinse this bucket out real quick and then boom party.
Stick the hose in there, stick the nozzle in there,
Yeah.
and it won't bubble as much. Stick it all the way in.
It's because it's dirty. I don't want to get the
Okay.
stick's dirty.
Okay.
Truck is clean. Now we are headed to the show. Our first time at Orange Beach Truck Invasion, so we have no idea where to go or what to expect. So we just put in Orange Beach, Alabama, and that's where we're driving, and hopefully we see a bunch of trucks and we end up at the right place. Damn! I don't know if you can see the boats, but dang, those are huge. They got the beach patrol cutting us off. I guess there's an emergency.
Now road.
Yeah, we've been lost for about 30 minutes. We drove all the way out to the strip thinking that's where it would be, and it wasn't. It was probably where we originally turned in at that hotel looking place where everybody was unloading their trailers, making a U-turn back to where we originally were. Yeah, we were supposed to be there like around 8 or 9, and we're about an hour late. Honestly, we didn't do bad. We didn't do bad. If we weren't stuck in that traffic for an hour earlier this morning, we would have been here on time. All right, after getting lost for about an hour, we finally found a place in which it makes sense that it's here because I've seen pictures. It's just, I had no idea where it was. It's my first time here, and just don't know anything about Orange Beach, and there's not a lot of information. We went to the coordinates that was
We
on.
are supposed to go that way.
Maybe we'll go around that way.
Why don't we ask?
I don't even know.
Lost again.
Ask the kids over there?
Yeah. Or
let's try that way. Let's try that way. Yeah, we went to the coordinates that was on the Facebook page, and it took us to like just the middle of the street. No, like middle of nowhere. Donnie's about to go off-roading. True definition of pavement princess. So this is gator sausage. So we're gonna try it for the first time. Go what?
No ketchup.
No ketchup, nothing. Donnie got excited for the gator meat.
It's not bad.
So this is gator tail. It's not bad, but the fact that it's gator, it's kind of creeping me out. Probably wouldn't pay to eat this again, but it was a good experience. All crawler. Same body style as my old LML. Yeah. What size tires are they? Are these 30s? 30s? 42? 60. Damn, this thing is big. Ain't done yet. Oh, it's got the crab walk. Ooh, that's cool. I think this is where he wants to park it. Oh snap, that's pretty cool. Alright, where is he trying to go? I know, right?
He's like not going anywhere. It's been 5 minutes in the same spot.
It's like backing up a trailer.
Yeah.
Getting some ideas for your C10?
Yes, sir.
I like the diamond stitch interior. Oh, I like that interior. That's like clean and simple and like classy.
Yes, classy and nice. And this is the idea you came up with?
Oh yeah.
The wood in the back?
Yeah, that's what I said you should do to the C10.
Yep.
This thing is beautiful.
Yes. Super cool.
that's a 10 to 12 inch Cognito. That's how big your truck would be.
I like it.
Is it on 40s? Yep, 40, 15, 50. Yeah, so it's not fully a 12 inch either, so
It's not a 12?
you can turn the keys up just a little bit more too. It could be sitting a little taller. Dang, your truck's gonna be a monster on 12 inch lift and 40s.
It's gonna look good.
Yeah.
And 2616s.
Yeah, right?
So it's gonna be a bit different. Oh, there's a helper bag.
Yeah. Okay, cool. So we're at the Versatire booth, and one of the main reasons why we came here was we wanted to look at the 39s, and well, here it is. 39 1550 on 26s, and that's a 26 by 16 wheel. And this Ram has either an 8 or a 10 inch McGaughy's lift kit. One of the main reasons why I also came here and looked at it was because Alex wants to buy a Ram now, and he wants to do an 8 to 10 inch McGaughy's lift and do 39s or 40s. So yeah, this is essentially when Alex builds a Ram, this is probably how his truck is going to sit. So yeah, it looks really good. And the 26 by 16s on 39 look perfect. Which that is the plan that we might be running on Donnie's truck with the 10 to 12 inch McGaughy's kit.
With I think there's a Cummins engine, if I'm not mistaken. Or maybe it's a... What engine is this? Oh, is it Cummins?
Oh, I didn't know there was somebody in it. This thing is cool.
Yeah, you bought it? It is a Cummins.
It is a Cummins? Oh, it says it right there. Cummins, that's cool. Chevy with a Cummins.
Something else.
I like this car too. Look at the stance on this thing. Airbag system. Got a bed stack on the L5P Duramax dually over here. I'm genuinely curious to see what this truck sounds like, to hear what this truck sounds like. It's good. 7 to 9 inch FTS lift, so it's about the same height as mine. Size tires. 37s.
37.
That looks huge for 37s, doesn't it?
Yep.
What year is this, you said? 49?
It looks like a 2000.
Yeah. That's beautiful.
See, when I pull up in my garage, I'm
That makes sense. Sometimes less is more.
that's right.
Everything here is so vintage. Perfectly. Look at the bikes on the back.
Yes.
Dang, that's just awesome.
I love the two-tone of that.
Yeah, that's a nice combination.
Perfect combination. I wish you could see the interior.
Oh look, they stanced out the
Yeah.
little Beetle.
Dude, this one has got a nice color, nice combination too. Look at the interior. Ooh, this thing is sweet.
That really is a sweet interior.
Floating chairs.
Floating chairs? Oh, that's awesome.
A kick-ass system in the shore.
Dude, look at the wheel. Oh, great.
Definitely a lot of detail.
So first day is done and over with. This is one thing I hate about coming to these truck shows, is that there's so many big trucks and my 79-inch kit looks tiny. When I'm at home, when I'm in my hometown driving next to all these level trucks or stock trucks,
regular trucks,
mine looks big. Mine, I'm fine with it. But coming here and seeing all these like 30-inch lifted trucks, 50-inch lifted trucks, and just other 12-inch lifted trucks, it makes mine look tiny. So it kind of makes me want to go bigger every time. Just like when I went to SEMA, I was like, you know, I need to do a 12-inch kit. And then when I came back, started driving, I was like, you know what, I'm fine.
Like the first time that I went to Daytona.
The first time you went to Daytona?
Yeah,
and you had a leveling kit.
I had a leveling kit. I came home, had to get a 9-inch lift and 37s and spend more money. Now I gotta spend more money.
Yeah, about to do a 10 to 12-inch kit on 39s. So yeah, that's one of the reasons why we went and talked to Versatire, or yeah, we went to go look at Versatire 39s, because I feel like that would be the perfect size, especially since Donnie's gonna go 26-16. That's a wide setup, so 40s might be pushing it, but 39s are gonna be like just enough to be able to clear that setup. So
perfect.
Yeah, we're gonna go check in at the hotel and maybe go and cruise around tonight.